All right, if you notice, we have all of our tools on this pegboard, and they're hooked onto with this type of things here. And I've got a whole bunch of them in here, all different types. You know what I mean? Give you an idea. Let me pull one out. You got one of these like little hooks, and the way it works is you got to put it in these little holes. So let's say I wanted to put one here. What I would do is I would stick it in there, and then set it down, and then bam, I got a little hook I can put something on. You follow me? And that's how all these work. So you can rearrange and arrange how you want to have it. Like let's say this one's hitting too close. You just pull it out, move it over one, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Now you got, you know, a little bit better spacing. And as you can see, it's very versatile. I have all of my wrenches over here. I've got my screwdrivers here. And then up here, I've got, you know, more wrenches and channel locks and different types of tools and all kinds of different things that I hang on it. And so it makes a pretty good way to organize and store your tools. Here's a bunch of other ones over here, as you can see. Got hammers on here. Got a big sledge there. Crowbars. This is a basin wrench that you use to take out your sink faucets. And then I've got, you know, my saw for my miter box, which I keep up here. And then I've got a bunch of levels over here. I've got some measuring tools, and you know, more wrenches, and here's some clippers for outside. I got, you know, stuff for electrical here. Strip some wires if you need it. There's your paint brushes. So yeah, it works out good, and you can use these things and you can interchange them. So I highly recommend the pegboard. You just got to have something to put it on and have a little room behind it so that this stuff will fit through. And that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.